kind of hearing do you expect? Ngayon pa lang, tinatakpan na ng mga kasamahan nyo, ayaw na mag-invite. When I interviewed Terry Redondo on Head Start, he was already defending Zaldico. He said Zaldico divested from SunWest, etc., etc., there's no proof. So for a committee chairman to already be defending another colleague who could be a resource person, what do you make of that hearing? It seems to me that your colleagues are protecting Zaldico. It doesn't seem like they want to know the truth. Kauumpisa pa lang, dinotion nyo na. Sinabihan na kayo, ba't pa i-invite? Sinabi ni Garin, let's not make it about personalities. Which by the way, ang nagnanakaw personalities. So ang tanong ko, what kind of hearing do you expect? Ngayon pa lang, tinatakpan na ng mga kasamahan nyo, ayaw na mag-invite ng, even as resource persons.
Kaya nga po, ang kami sa minority, meron na po kami position, at least dapat siguro, we should let the President na yung kanyang independent commission, siya yung mag-imbestiga. Si Presidente naman na nagsimula nito, dapat hayaan natin siya, tulungan natin siya, natapusin ito.
Okay, now are you hopeful with the committee chairman, Terry Redon? Because when I interviewed Terry Redon on Head Start, he was already defending Zaldico. He said Zaldico divested from SunWest, etc., etc., there's no proof. So for a committee chairman to already be defending another colleague who could be a resource person, what do you make of that hearing?
Well, ayaw i-prejudge kung ano man yung kanilang agenda. Basta kami sa minority, we have our own agenda. We will be impartial and we'll be uncompromising in asking questions. So, kasi kung ipe-prejudge ko, parang hindi na rin ako fair. So, basta meron tayong motion to invite them, palagay ko, yun ang dapat na gawin. At tingin ko bilang isang sitting congressman, it is the responsibility of Congressman Zaldico to appear or to attend the meeting at least and clarify all these matters. Hindi lang yung integrity at credibility ng House ang nakataya dito.
Okay, but if you were Zaldico, I'll be honest, right? And there are talks that you've allegedly made billions. Why would you appear in a hearing? In other words, what's the cost-benefit analysis for him? When he's getting away with it, he doesn't have to...
So if he's getting away with it, I think it's up to the President to really pursue the investigation by an independent commission. Pero siyempre, alam mo naman, ang Kongreso, collegiate body yan, kami, we have a role as the minority, we will provide check and balance, but we will not prevail.